I'm gonna spare you guys the ears. I'm gonna spare you guys the bleeding of the eardrums when I'm blending this. Hey foodie friends, it's Dina here with Eat Laugh Review, and today I have another simple, easy, tasty recipe for you guys. I'm making an herbed cashew cheese spread. Delish. So it's super simple and super tasty. And I just love that it's a spread because you can put it on anything. You can put it on bagels, you can put it on crackers, even sandwiches. Whatever your little heart desires, you can slather this cheese spread anywhere. So before we get into this, I just want to welcome all my new viewers. Welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below to show me some love. And now, let's get into this cheese spread. Let's go. Okay, foodie friends, all you're gonna need is your handy dandy blender. This involves no cooking, none whatsoever. All you have to do is pour everything in here, do the old mix around, and you're good to go. So, but what you do need to do is your cashews, make sure you do soak them for at least about 30 minutes to an hour. Let them soak a little bit just to get that nice, they're getting nice and full of love. And drain them and make sure they're dry. And once you have that super duper hard step, then you're good to go. So anyhow, let's get to blending. So we're gonna add our cashews that were soaked right in there. And foodie friends, I also forgot to mention, if you want this recipe, shoot me an email, eatlaughfreview@gmail.com, and I will shoot you back the recipe. So basically, we're gonna add everything in this blender except for the dill and the chives. We're just gonna put this guy aside for right now, but everything else is zoop right in there. So we have our minced garlic, freshly squeezed lemon juice here, and then we have our nutritional yeast, which adds that cheesiness, that cheesy flavor. And then we have salt, pepper, and smoked paprika. And that's that. How simple is that, you guys? So get our little thingamajig on here and let's set it on our blender. So we're just gonna blend this bad boy at high speed until it's nice and like creamy, okay? And I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay, foodie friends, so we're all done here. Look at this. So it's nice and creamy. And now let's just pour this in here. Now we're gonna add our chives and our dill in here. Oh, I forgot to mention a 1/4 cup of water when you start blending. That's one thing I forgot to mention earlier. When you throw in all your ingredients, add a 1/4 cup of water. Okay, so now let me just add our chives and our dill there. It smells so good. Look how cute this is. So literally 5 minutes, right you guys? I mean, it's so quick. You just blend away, add all the ingredients, and you could go to town with your ingredients too. You can add different things to it, whatever you guys like, just add it in there. I mean, who knows? You could go to town with this. And now we eat. Oh my gosh, it's so weird how it's like cheesy. It's so delicious, you guys. The texture is just nice and smooth, just like a cheese spread. The garlic and the smoked paprika. Oh my gosh. Oh man, this on a toasted bagel or an avocado. I love my avocados. This with toast, an avocado on the top. That's it. This is my new addiction. So foodie friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, give your girl a like. You know how I love those likes. So, and if you want this recipe, shoot me an email at eatlaughfreview@gmail.com. And also if you make this cutie patootie here, don't forget to take a picture of it and tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. Don't forget to live life on the veg, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! Super yummy! OMG! Oh.